Tired of complex crypto jargon and high-risk investments? You're not alone. Many people find the world of cryptocurrency overwhelming and confusing, filled with technical terms and volatile markets that seem impossible to navigate. Want to earn real money without breaking the bank? Imagine being able to grow your wealth without the stress of losing your hard-earned money. It's possible, and I'm here to show you how. You're in the right place. This guide is designed to help you navigate the crypto world with ease and confidence. Today I'll show you how to earn on cryptocurrency without investing a dime and with minimal risk. Yes, you heard that right, no initial investment required. Plus, I'll guide you through buying crypto with your bank card, making the process straightforward and secure, and introduce a platform that makes it all easy. This platform is designed with beginners in mind, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience. We'll be using PrimeXBT, a platform packed with tools to help you earn. It offers a variety of features that cater to both novice and experienced traders. I discovered it recently and was blown away by its simplicity. It's user-friendly, efficient, and perfect for anyone looking to get started in the crypto world without the usual headaches. Buying crypto can be confusing, especially for newbies. Let's simplify it. Head to PrimeXBT, click Deposit, and choose Buy with Card. Select your currency, input the amount, and pick your desired cryptocurrency. It's that easy. Don't worry about complicated wallets or exchanges. PrimeXBT handles it all. You can actually earn on PrimeXBT without investing a penny. Imagine diving into the world of cryptocurrency trading without the fear of losing your hard-earned money. Participate in free tournaments with prize pools of thousands of dollars. Compete with others and showcase your trading skills to win big. It's like playing a game and getting paid. The thrill of competition combined with the excitement of earning real money makes it an unbeatable experience. Even better, you can practice and win real money using a demo account. No risk involved. Hone your skills in a safe environment and prepare for real-world trading. Subscribe to see more free earning methods like this. Stay updated with the latest tips and tricks to maximize your earnings without any investment. Copy trading is an innovative way to participate in the financial markets by mimicking the strategies of successful traders. It's like having a seasoned crypto investment guru working tirelessly for you, guiding your investments. PrimeXBT offers a comprehensive list of top traders, complete with detailed statistics and performance metrics. With just a few clicks, you can effortlessly copy their trades and strategies, making the process seamless. It's crucial to diversify the traders you copy to effectively manage risks and enhance your portfolio's stability. This method provides a fantastic opportunity to earn profits without needing deep trading knowledge or experience, making it accessible to everyone. There are other potential earning methods like staking, lending, or referrals, if applicable to PrimeXBT. Also, don't forget the power of community engagement. Make sure to like, comment, and share the video for more valuable content. Remember, you can buy crypto easily, earn without investment, and copy successful traders on PrimeXBT. Start your crypto journey today. The link to PrimeXBT is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more money-making tips.